Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to unbox two supplements from Puritan's Pride I ordered in Lazada. Just a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I'm also going to share with you some of the most amazing benefits of these powerful supplements. So without further ado, let's get started. Vitamin A is the generic term for a group of fat-soluble compounds highly important for human health. They're essential for many processes in your body, including maintaining healthy vision, ensuring the normal function of your immune system and organs, and aiding the proper growth and development of babies in the womb. Here are 6 important health benefits of vitamin A. Number 1. Protects your eyes from night blindness and age-related decline. Night blindness occurs in people with vitamin A deficiency, as the vitamin is a major component of the pigment rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is found in the retina of your eye and extremely sensitive to light. People with this condition can still see normally during the day, but have reduced vision in darkness as their eyes struggle to pick up light at lower levels. Number 2. May lower your risk of certain cancers. Cancer occurs when abnormal cells begin to grow or divide in an uncontrolled way. As vitamin A plays an important role in the growth and development of your cells, its influence on cancer risk and role in cancer prevention is of interest to scientists. Number 3. Supports a healthy immune system. Vitamin A plays a vital role in maintaining your body's natural defenses. It's also involved in the production and function of white blood cells, which help capture and clear bacteria and other pathogens from your bloodstream. This means that a deficiency in vitamin A can increase your susceptibility to infections and delay your recovery when you get sick. Number 4. Reduces your risk of acne. Acne is a chronic, inflammatory skin disorder. People with this condition develop painful spots and blackheads, most commonly on the face, back, and chest. Though the spots are physically harmless, acne may have a serious effect on people's mental health and lead to low self-esteem, anxiety, and depression. The exact role that vitamin A plays in the development and treatment of acne remains unclear. Number 5. Supports bone health. The key nutrients needed for maintaining healthy bones as you age are protein, calcium, and vitamin D. However, eating enough vitamin A is also necessary for proper bone growth and development, and a deficiency in this vitamin has been linked to poor bone health. Number 6. Promotes healthy growth and reproduction. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining a healthy reproductive system in both men and women, as well as ensuring the normal growth and development of embryos during pregnancy. Too much vitamin A during pregnancy can be harmful to the growing baby as well and may lead to birth defects. Therefore, many health authorities recommended that women avoid foods that contain concentrated amounts of vitamin A, such as liver, as well as supplements containing vitamin A during pregnancy. Zinc is a vital mineral that your body uses in countless ways. Research shows that zinc has numerous health benefits. Number 1. Boosts your immune system. Zinc helps keep your immune system strong because it is necessary for immune cell function and cell signaling. A deficiency can lead to a weakened immune response. Zinc supplements stimulate particular immune cells and reduce oxidative stress. Number 2. Accelerates wound healing. Zinc is commonly used in hospitals as a treatment for burns, certain ulcers, and other skin injuries. Because this mineral plays critical roles in collagen synthesis, immune function, and inflammatory response, it is necessary for proper healing. Zinc can speed recovery in people with wounds. Number 3, may reduce the risk of certain age-related diseases. Zinc may significantly reduce your risk of age-related diseases such as pneumonia, infection, and age-related macular degeneration or AMD. Number 4, may help treat acne. Acne is a common skin disease that is estimated to affect up to 9.4% of the global population. Acne is driven by obstruction of oil-producing glands, bacteria, and inflammation. Studies suggest that both topical and oral zinc treatments can effectively treat acne by reducing inflammation, inhibiting the growth of P. acnes bacteria, and suppressing oily gland activity. People with acne tend to have lower levels of zinc. Therefore, supplements may help reduce symptoms. Number 5, decreases inflammation. Zinc decreases oxidative stress and reduces levels of certain inflammatory proteins in your body. Oxidative stress leads to chronic inflammation, a contributing factor in a wide array of chronic illnesses, such as heart disease, cancer, and mental decline. In a study in 40 older adults, those who took 45 milligrams of zinc per day experienced greater reductions in inflammatory markers than a placebo group.